In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a website with Zoho sites. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Let's start by navigating to Zoho's main web page. Just type the URL into your browser and it will direct you to the Zoho homepage. Zoho offers a comprehensive suite of software that perfectly fits businesses of all sizes. So while you're looking around, keep in mind that it's a great hub for various tools you might find helpful beyond just building a website. The next thing you need to do is sign in. Look for their sign in button and give it a click. This will direct you to the login page where you can enter your credentials. If you don't have an account already, Zoho offers a straightforward sign-up option that guides you through creating one. Having your own Zoho account is essential because it will give you access to the full range of services and allow you to manage your website effectively. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the Zoho homepage. From here, look for an option or tab labeled Sites. It's the gateway to the website building tool that you'll be using. Clicking on Sites will bring you into the Zoho Sites environment. Now comes a fun part, naming your site. This step is crucial as the name should reflect your brand or the type of content you plan to feature. Type in the name you have in mind and proceed. Remember, the name you choose is often the first impression visitors get, so make it catchy yet clear. After naming your site, Zoho will prompt you to choose a template. The templates offered are diverse and accommodate various purposes from business sites to portfolios and more. As you look through the templates, consider what suits your content and audience best. This template will serve as the framework for your website, dictating its overall aesthetic and layout, so choose wisely. If you're unsure, go for something simple, as you can always tweak and customize it as you see fit. And there you have it. You've gone through the steps of setting up a website on Zoho sites. By signing in, accessing the sites feature, naming your site, and selecting a template, you're well on your way to crafting a professional online presence. Next steps would include customizing the content and design further to truly make it your own and align with your brand or personal style. With practice, you'll find Zoho Sites is a valuable tool that offers flexibility and ease of use. Thanks for joining this walkthrough. I hope you found it helpful and good luck with building your new website.